If you're moving plants from one location to another, or you just want to display plants at a different location, like for example me, I'm taking these to a presentation in Brisbane Library. You need to pack them so they're not going to move around. So I tend to put most of my plants in trays to keep them still. And the spaces in between, I put the loose plants to take care of any moving. But packing is really important. And the footwell, move the front seat forward, put down and in there a bucket with a little bit of water, and that's where you can put all your leaf cuttings, all of those other things, the long stems that need a bit of water for the transportation. Some plants are just too big to transport if you're going to do a presentation, so cut them off, put them in a bucket of water. And of course, the back. Lift the hatch up, put in as much as you possibly can, fill it to the brim, and secure the plants in really well. You do not want them to move around in transport because they could be damaged, the leaves could break as well, and they could fall over and make a lot of mess. But making sure they do not move is critical. The less movement, the less damage, and that's the secret. Pack them in the sides, pack them in really well. I use trays to keep them still so they don't move about. And of course, be very careful with the edges, because when this hatch comes down, it could potentially crush everything in there. So next time you're thinking about moving plants, think about the logistics, think about reducing any possible damage, think about getting the best plants out at the end. And that's the objective when it comes to loading your plants. Of course, smaller plants can fit in this side, the bigger plants towards the front. And I have, in my case, many times put in cacti at an angle in the back seat just to make sure that it fits due to the size of the plant. I hope these little garden tips can help you successfully move plants from one spot to another without too much damage. And that's your tip today from Paul Plant Horticulture. Catch you next time.